This is HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
Welcome to HOOBS Insteon plugin Step 6. Rename your devices. After you add it to your Apple Home app, you can simply walk around, turn the devices on and off, write down on a piece of paper what device is what device ID, and then just come back in, open your plugin, and you can change the device name. So this one is my living room ceiling fan light. Don't forget to click Save after you rename your devices.
Thank you for using HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
Please watch how to do a backup in the lower right corner of your screen. After you back up, please see the Insteon playlist for advanced setup for the keypad, outlet, fan link, and more.